While some images change science forever, others will never escape the local newsroom. Tonight, we dive into 5 tornado moments, iconic and obscure, and the storm chaser tragedies that forced a safety reckoning.
Oh, big explosion! Big explosion! Oh my God!
Oh my God! Oh my God, look! Look!
It's almost here! It's almost here! It's almost here! Oh my God.
This thing's a hit right on top of us.
Look at the debris! Look at the debris up in the air! This is it. I don't know. Look, it's right there.
Man, I hope he is okay.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yeah, I'd say it's gonna come right over me. Let me see if I can back up here a little bit and get under the bridge. Yeah. Holy smokes.
Let's start with the VHS tape that went viral before YouTube even existed. April 26, 1991. Cameraman Duke Evans records a F5 tornado shredding the Golden Spur mobile home park. Millions watched the tape on nightly news. But one frame of drivers sheltering under a highway overpass sparked a deadly myth. Because underpasses actually accelerate wind. They're not safe. If that's all you remembered tonight, I've done my job.
Get this fucking thing off my shoulder. God damn it. Go, go, go. Keep going, man, keep going.
Faster?
No. Yeah. Lots faster, lots faster. There we go. You got a blaze, buddy. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, we want to jump out. We want to get in front of the van. Get under here.
Keep rolling.
Yeah, I'm rolling. That's good. That's good. We got to get in the ditch. I think. Look, I don't know where we want to be. Maybe we want to ride it out.
Got it?
Let's go.
Get up underneath.
Under here.
Get up under the girders.
Is that where we want to go?
Yes. Underneath the girders. Keep rolling, Ted. It's coming at us. Keep rolling. Come here. Shove yourselves right up underneath them. And hang on to them.
Hold on to that.
You're okay.
Now that.
Hang on, you'll be fine. Hang on to the girders.
Don't worry about it. Just hang on.
I got you.
That's what you're doing.
like a freight train. It just passed right on top of us. People very upset. People underneath the girders of this overpass.
May 27, 1997, a rogue supercell collapses, rebuilds itself, and then causes the tornado to drift backwards. South-southwest, grinding homes down to the bare slab. 27 dead. Meteorologists still teach about Jarrell to show that path assumptions can be deadly.
Look at the debris circling around this tornado. Look at it. Man, it's a big one. Huge tornado. It's very close to the station. It's within a mile of us, I believe.
Jump north to Ely, Manitoba. June 22, 2007. A slender rope barely wider than a city bus then intensifies to a F5 tornado.
June 22nd, 2007. My very first tornado. Woohoo! It's right very close in front of us though. We are starting to move.
Sometimes you have to do it. Do you want to go
You see the clouds rotating.
Wet underwear.
We are getting bigger and bigger.
Holy shit.
The rain? Yeah, biggest pet peeve. Anyway, coming up, we got mandatory Metallica. That is going to start off your 7 o'clock hour. Also have the top 8 at 8 tonight.
Ouch.
Counting down the top 8 bands from Detroit.
Getting some severe.
Up at 2 with Reese Grace.
97's Winnipeg Live, brought to you by Mako on Wall.
Your ankle like this.
Better get Mako.
I'm covered, eh?
Pass on more information. If you are out on the highway wherever you are, please be safe. Be safe. Don't try to chase them. That's not a good idea. But yeah, I've had calls from Ron, Wally, and Jag. Also had another.
It sweeps 4 houses clean, yet spares every life. Width and violence are not the same. Small can be lethal. 𝐿-РE:NO 2013, a 2.6-mile-wide monster. Veteran scientists Tim Samaras, Paul Samaras, and Carl Jung deploy probes, but the storm suddenly veers left and doubles in speed. Their sedan is then tossed 200 meters. Their loss rewrites chase protocols, distance rules, armor vehicles, and GPS escape routes.
At this exact same time, the Twistex crew is now approaching Highway 81. Neither Twistex nor Henderson are aware of the incredible speeds at which the tornado has expanded eastwards. Tim says,
"We're probably going to have to cross 81 if this road is good, and then try and drop down if we got some viable roads."
They pull up behind a Toyota Yaris. The driver is storm chaser Dan Robinson. Robinson has a rear dash cam rolling, filming Twistex right behind him. Robinson looks south and also sees the tornado crossing the highway. This convinces him to continue east onto Reuter Road. Twistex decides the same. Randy Walton records Robinson's Yaris crossing 81, followed by the Twistex crew's white Chevrolet Cobalt. Walton and his group would have no clue they were recording the last moments of the Twistex crew. Thinking quickly, Walton also decides to turn onto Reuter behind them.
Right on 81. Yeah. Copy. Go slow. Copy. I've never had anybody tell me to go slow before. Go to the highway, back where we came from and go keep going where we're going. Turn around. 10-4, turn around, and then we're going to go back the exact same way we were just going.
This decision to turn around, without a doubt, saved their lives. But Dan and Twistex are continuing down Reuter to the south. Henderson is still stuck behind the line of chasers on Reno Road. After the powerful core strikes the Weather Channel convoy, it begins to do something that no chaser was expecting. It begins to move north. The heavy rain is not only slowing down the line of chasers in front of him, but it's also completely obscuring the tornado that's rapidly approaching him. As far as he's aware, the tornado is still a mile to his south, where he last spotted it. But in an instant, the winds begin to roar and debris begins to pelt his vehicle. There is quite literally no time to react to what's happening as the tornado roars just behind him, east of the intersection of Alpheldale and Reno Roads. His car is lifted and flung off the side of the road. He disappears into the darkness. Emily Sutton, a chaser just ahead of Robinson, films the core once again revealing itself. The funnel is a stovepipe shape, no more than 250 yards wide at its base, but the wind field is still growing. To the north, Twistex still can't see the tornado. Heavy rain to their south means it's essentially invisible, and determining its motion is impossible. They can only assume it's continuing eastwards.
This thing is moving 40 miles an hour, 30 to 40 miles an hour to the east.
Tim is likely guessing here, as the tornado is much closer and moving much faster. As the rain begins to clear, it's hard to discern what exactly is to their south.
No, I see it. Well, maybe I don't.
Tim looks up the road. Dan Robinson's car is just ahead, and rain bands begin to sweep towards the road. He glances back towards the massive rain, where the funnel is beginning to reveal itself. The air around him grows, quote, eerily calm.
There's no rain here. Actually, I think we're in a bad spot.
These are the last words that we verifiably have of the Twistex crew before the camera recording cuts off. It had used all of its storage, but at this point, the tornado is 90 seconds away. Robinson's rear dashcam continues to capture the white Chevy Cobalt. He also begins to realize what's happening.
What is that? What is that? It looks like the tornado. The car won't go. I've got to get out of whatever this is. The car just isn't going.
Twistex's Chevy, with less power than Robinson's Toyota, falls behind him. The rear dashcam captures the car disappearing from a pair of headlights to a single speck of light. And soon, the tiny speck of light is extinguished. The wall of darkness has consumed the road. Oklahoma Highway Patrol Officer Betsy Randolph is nearby and is listening to her radio when she hears a disturbing shout. "We're going to die, we're going to die." The transmission went dead immediately afterwards. It is believed that this transmission was from the Twistex vehicle as the main circulation overtook their car.
In 2012, storm chaser Andy Gabrielson survives every twister he's ever chased, but then gets hit by a drunk driver. Oddly enough, more than 3/4 of storm chaser deaths are caused in traffic, not by the storms themselves. Greensburg, Kansas, 2007. 95% of the town is obliterated.
The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for Cuyahoga County. Meteorologists were tracking a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado 14 miles south of Greensburg.
It's like stovepipe slash wedge.
Okay.
100%. There's a tornado on the ground.
Yes.
Yep, it's there. 100%. Still on the ground. Cool. Stovepipe.
This thing is like a permanent stovepipe.
Gosh.
Holy moly! Okay, I saw that. Gee.
All right, I wasn't crazy.
Yeah.
The coleslaw too.
Yeah. Well,
now everyone sees
Get these trees out of here.
Whoa, lightning.
Of course, I was moving the camera. I still got it.
Oh my gosh, that was huge. Is that just me, or was that like a huge
Wouldn't be surprised.
I mean, like 8 mile wide type thing.
Oh.
Do you see that?
Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh! Wow!
Well, if I recall, it was headed towards this town called Greensburg, so it's probably still a little ways ahead of us.
Moore, Oklahoma, 2013. An EF5 strikes Briarwood Elementary School. Today, Oklahoma building codes require safe rooms inside schools.
Oh shit.
Oh, my truck is okay out there.
Your truck just probably changed spots, homie. Motherfucker. Look at that shit. Oh, dude, it's finna knock those poles down.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go back.
Hey, back up. Yeah, if something hits that glass on the phone. Yeah, I'll take pictures later.
straight fucking us up, man.
Oh, yeah.
Get over there, bro. Stop.
Look at the side of the building of the Warren, dude. Look at that.
Holy shit.
It's just covered in mud.
I think this was his brother. Dude, it was picking this car up.
That Nissan?
This one right here.
The Beaver?
Yeah.
There went the top of the warning sign.
No way.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, there goes the Warren sign.
Dude, this is another tornado. This is a whole nother tornado.
I bet my truck's getting hammered, fuck.
Dude, mine's right out back in front of all of
You
everything.
probably should have parked, like, you should have nosed up to the building since you know it's coming from that way.
Tore up all kinds of shit. The Warren Theater is gone. All kinds of businesses. The trees right on the ground. Look at those trees right over there. Yeah.
Nature writes the rules. Cameras only keep the receipts. Don't forget to drop your own tornado stories or questions in the comments.